How to change profile picture on Stocktwits. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are in Stocktwits and wondering how to jazz up your profile with a new picture, the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, open up the Stocktwits app or website and sign into your account. Now, the next thing to do is to go to your profile. Tap on the menu button at the top left corner, and once you do that, tap on My Profile on the next page. Inside your profile, click Edit Profile. Now, click on Edit Photo. Select how you'd like to add your photo. If you choose camera, click a picture of yourself or click a selfie and upload it as your profile picture. If you want to choose gallery and select an existing photo, tap on the gallery option and choose a photo from your device's camera roll. Choose the photo you want to add and adjust it within the frame and click choose at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your profile photo uploaded. Click save at the top right corner to make the changes. So after you do that, you'll be able to change your profile picture on Stocktwits. Now you'll see your new profile picture reflected on your account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.